What is going on, YouTube? Body Dip here. And man, growth stocks have been absolutely on fire recently. Basically, in almost a week and a half, every growth stock that you have seen is probably up by now. And they're probably up by a lot. Because recently, every growth stock you've seen, it's up. And it's crazy to think about May 10th when we had the CPI data and everything was selling off like crazy, mostly tech stocks. That probably may be the bottom, but we don't know yet because this upcoming Thursday, we're going to get another CPI data that may scare off the market. And obviously, respecting something a little bit higher than the last one we get in May 10th. So it may scare off the market, but who knows? But recently, we got to enjoy this while it lasts. But man, oh man. And I bought one new stock added to my portfolio, which is Jumia. As you guys see, I added Jumia because I didn't want. It's going to get to the point that Jumia is going to get to a price that I feel like it was going to be too much for me to buy. I feel like Jumia is under 30 is a good buy. At one point, Jumia was at 17th, I believe, because when you look at the chart, it's not going to show you, but with the 1 month chart, Jumia is as low as 23, but around May 10th or May 12th. Jumia is way lower than that. I best believe Jumia is way lower than that. And before we start, I gotta show my one week, my 1 month, my 3 month, my 1 year, my all time, just for showcase the freaking transparency. 1 month, 3 month. I'm actually in the green now. Wow, that's crazy. 1 year, I'm still down. All time is still down. A lot of money to be making up to where I'm lost. But the 3 month, finally in the green. Thought I would never see the day again. Obviously, I did see the day because how growth stocks are. They go up and down every time. So, yeah. Neo, it finally broke out of the 42 resistant level. I think it's due to one little catalyst saying that, I think it was Edison Youth or Deutsche Bank, saying that investors are underestimating Neo growth potential in Europe. But anybody who's bullish on Neo is not underestimating them being successful in Europe. That's obviously bogus. And CCIV was up 10%. A lot of stocks that you've seen that are getting heavily shorted, they're getting squeezed hard, like Skills, obviously MSC, GME, BlackBerry, the really popular meme stocks, but Churchill Capital, Skills, Fubo TV. I wanted to buy Fubo TV, but Fubo TV ran up way too much for me. I think $30 is a little too pricey for Fubo. That's just my honest opinion. I feel like Fubo around 23 and under is a good buy, but $30, Fubo ran up a lot. It ran up a lot. And I wanted to buy Fubo, but it was either Jumia or Fubo. I didn't have enough capital to get both, unfortunately. But next time we get a nice dip on Thursday, I'll be more prepared to get these at better prices. Fisker, a heavily shorted stock, also up almost 10%. These are the stocks I was really looking into buy. Fisker, Fubo TV. I was looking at Arcimoto, but I was only looking at Arcimoto for like a swing, not really for a long-term investment. And the 3D systems, but 3D systems it ran up too much, just like Fubo. So I'm waiting for that nice little dip because this is a 3D company that's profitable. Compared to X1, which is not profitable currently. I don't know what's going on with X1. Their last two earnings report has been really bad. But I still believe that a stock like this, when the market is up, when the growth stocks are really up, it should be up too, but not today. X1 takes some time. Especially BNGO, up 22%. BNGO is heavily shorted. I don't know what's the reason to short BNGO, but that's pretty crazy in my opinion. But overall, this is just the portfolio. The next thing I'm looking to buy is Fubo if it gets low. If I can't get on Fubo, I'm looking to buy Fisker or Arcimoto. But if I get Arcimoto, I'm looking at it as only a swing, Nothing more, nothing less. I'm looking at it as a swing. But if I'm getting something like Fubo, I'm looking for that long-term play. Not because I think Fubo can be a next Roku. I know these are some bold words, but I feel like Fubo can be a next Roku. So that's why I'm looking into getting Fubo at a lower price. Because I like to be greedy with my prices. And then when I see it, when it hit that price, I'm like, maybe it could go down a little bit lower. So I'm gonna wait for it to dip. But I need to learn by piece by piece, because this is a process at the end of the day. This is not a race. It's more of a marathon. So that's basically it. That's basically it for my whole journey right now. As you know, growth stocks are on fire, but this may not last too long because Thursday is a very pivotal day. I'll say before Thursday, I may lock in some profits just to be on the safe side, and then when it dips, I can be ready to buy because I'm expecting the worst on Thursday. So that's basically about it. Keep you guys updated. Always try to make a video at least once a week. And yeah, that's basically about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, see my journey to 0 to 100K using only hyper growth stocks, get along with the journey. Just like and subscribe. Tongue twister there. And I see you guys in the next video.